So geological mapping is the actual practice of going out into the field, looking at rocks, observing the minerals and the structures that are within them, and then using that information to compile geological maps. In New South Wales we have rocks that are up to 1.7 billion years old.
So we take those rocks, we could cut thin sections from them, so we can look at the rocks close up under a microscope, or we could send pieces of the rock to laboratories to have various chemical or physical tests done to find out what elements and minerals, things that are actually in the rock.
It's the nuts and bolts of what are the rocks, how old are they, what has happened to them.
Scientists go out into the field and they map the rocks, they analyse what they see, they then use that to produce maps. Those maps are then in turn used to inform industry, government, used to inform farmers, researchers, educators.
So we always get permission from a landholder to access their land, but most landholders are really fascinated by what we do.
Geological mapping benefits the community in many ways, but I think fundamentally it helps to inform land use decision making, helps to inform environmental monitoring or decision making, helps greatly with a lot of agricultural factors with soils and water and that sort of thing. And it also, of course, helps inform the mining industry on various decisions that relate around planning or resource decisions.
We can also map out where we're likely to have floods or landslides or natural disasters. But if a mine is produced and starts producing metals or energy, then those royalties come back into the community in terms of hospitals, in terms of schools. And of course, that's for all of New South Wales, not just for that local community.